Have you seen these paper-style animations that are suddenly everywhere? Creators are getting millions of views with videos that look like they're made entirely from layered paper, with every scene unfolding like a handcrafted pop-up book. The animations are smooth, colorful, and so satisfying that people watch them all the way to the end. The best part is that these videos aren't created by hand. They're made with AI in just a fraction of the time. If you've been wondering how creators are making these viral paper-style animations, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step workflow to create stunning paper-cut animation videos from scratch using free AI tools, so you can start making your own today. Let's get started. To make things super easy for you, I've already created a master template prompt that will help you generate these beautiful paper-style art animation clips with ease. I've tested this template multiple times and carefully refined it to remove common mistakes so you can create high-quality videos without any hassle. Using this template will not only save you time, but also help you produce clean, consistent, and professional-looking results every time. I've also included a universal video prompt that works perfectly with the template. You can find the link to the complete Google Docs file in the video description below, so make sure to download it before you get started. Step number 1. First, open ChatGPT. Once it's loaded, go back to the Google Docs file and copy the master template prompt. It's a bit long, so make sure you copy the entire prompt without missing anything. Now paste the master template prompt into ChatGPT's prompt box and click Generate. You'll notice that ChatGPT will ask you to provide a script sentence. First, I'll show you how to create a complete long-form video using this workflow. I'll open a new ChatGPT chat and ask it to write a short 1-minute script on the topic, the richest man in history. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT generates a complete script for us. Now, I'll copy the first short sentence from the script and paste it into the ChatGPT chat where we previously used the master template prompt. After clicking Generate, you'll see that it automatically creates both an image prompt and a matching video prompt for that sentence. I'll repeat this process for every sentence in the script. It only takes a few seconds to convert each sentence into its corresponding image prompt and video prompt. As you can see, I've now converted the entire script into a complete set of image and video prompts. With that done, we're ready to move on to the next step. Step number 2. Now, open Flow AI and create a new project. Once it's open, you'll see a clean and simple interface that's easy to work with. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, and paste it into Flow AI's prompt box to start generating the image. While Flow AI is busy creating the first image, you don't have to wait. Simply go back to ChatGPT, copy the next image prompt, and paste it into Flow AI as well. This way, multiple images can be generated one after another, making the entire workflow much faster and more efficient. Continue repeating this process until you've copied and submitted all of the image prompts from ChatGPT into Flow AI. Depending on the number of prompts, the image generation process will only take a few minutes. Now, as you can see, Flow AI has generated all the images from our prompts. For each prompt, it creates 4 different image variations, giving you multiple options to choose from. I'll quickly go through each set of images, select the one that looks the best, and download it. Choosing the best variation for every scene will help maintain a high-quality, consistent look throughout the final video. Step number 3. Now, start a new project in Flow AI and begin uploading the images you downloaded in the previous step. For this tutorial, I'll only demonstrate the process using 3 images, since the workflow is exactly the same for all the remaining ones. Simply upload your images, and once they're ready, we can start converting them into video clips. Before we continue, there's one important tip that can save you a lot of time. For every image, you can use its corresponding video prompt generated by ChatGPT. However, if you want to speed up the entire workflow, I recommend using the universal video prompt included in the Google Docs file. Just go back to the document, copy the universal video prompt, then return to Flow AI. Add your image to the prompt box, paste the universal video prompt, and generate the video. Repeat the same process for the second image and then the third image. As you can see, all three images are now being converted into video clips at the same time, making the entire process much faster and more efficient. Once the generation is complete, let's preview the results. Here you can see that Flow AI has successfully transformed all of our images into smooth, high-quality video clips, and they look fantastic. Step number 4. Now it's time to convert your script into an AI voiceover. For this tutorial, I'll be using DupDub AI, but you're free to use any AI voiceover tool you prefer. The process is almost the same across most platforms. Simply paste your script into the editor, choose the AI voice that best matches your video style, and generate the voiceover. Once it's ready, download the audio file and save it to your device. With our voiceover complete, we now have all the assets we need: the images, video clips, and narration. So let's move on to the final step and put everything together. Step number 5. Now, open CapCut and create a new project. Import all the video clips you generated with Flow AI, along with the AI voiceover file you created earlier. Start by dragging the voiceover onto the timeline, then begin placing the video clips one by one in the correct order. As you arrange the clips, make sure each one matches the corresponding part of the script and provides meaningful visuals that support the narration. If a clip is longer than needed, simply increase its playback speed or trim it so that it perfectly matches the timing of the voiceover. Continue adjusting and arranging the clips until the entire story flows smoothly from beginning to end. This editing process may take a few minutes, but it's what gives your video a polished and professional look. Once you're happy with everything and all the visuals are perfectly synchronized with the narration, export your video in 4K resolution for the best possible quality. And that's it. Your paper-style AI animation video is now complete and ready to upload to YouTube or any other platform.
Think Elon Musk is the richest person in history? Think again. Imagine being so wealthy that your fortune can't even be accurately calculated. Meet Mansa Musa, the man many historians believe was the richest human to ever live. In the 14th century, Mansa Musa ruled the Mali Empire, one of the world's largest producers of gold. His wealth came from vast gold mines, thriving trade routes, and a powerful empire stretching across West Africa. Then came the journey that made him a legend. In 1324, during his pilgrimage to Mecca, he traveled with a massive caravan carrying thousands of attendants, camels loaded with gold, and lavish gifts. Along the way, he gave away so much gold that in places like Cairo, the sudden increase in gold caused its value to fall. No billionaire today has ever displayed wealth on that scale. Mansa Musa's fortune became the stuff of legend, making him one of the most extraordinary figures in history.
There's one more feature I want to show you. You can also convert any existing image into this beautiful paper-style animation. To do that, go back to the Google Docs file and copy the second prompt. Then paste it into the same ChatGPT conversation. Now, all you need to do is find the image you want to transform and upload it to ChatGPT. The prompt will automatically analyze the image and generate a matching paper-style image prompt along with a corresponding video prompt, while preserving the original composition and subject. From this point, the workflow is exactly the same as before. Copy the generated image prompt and paste it into Flow AI to create the paper-style version of the image. Once the paper-style image has been generated, upload it into Flow AI and add it to the prompt box. Then, go back to the Google Docs file, copy the universal video prompt, and paste it into Flow AI. After just a few seconds, Flow AI will transform your image into a beautiful paper-style animated video clip. This means you're not limited to creating videos from scripts. You can also turn your own photos, artwork, AI-generated images, or virtually any existing image into stunning paper-style animations using the exact same workflow. It opens up endless creative possibilities, allowing you to bring almost any idea to life with just a few simple steps. And that's it. As you can see, the entire process is much easier than it looks. With a master template prompt and the workflow I showed you in this video, you can create stunning paper-style animation videos in just a fraction of the time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.